Let us start with our neighbor, Mars. The red planet is covered in iron oxide, which is the exact same chemical compound that makes up rust and human blood. If you took a deep breath on Mars, it would smell metallic, dusty, and faintly sweet. It would smell exactly like a handful of old pennies mixed with dried blood. Venus. If you traveled to Venus, the smell would be completely suffocating. The thick, toxic atmosphere is packed with sulfur dioxide. Taking a breath here would burn your lungs instantly, but in that final second, it would smell overwhelmingly like struck matches and rotting eggs. Jupiter. The largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, is a swirling ball of gas. While it is mostly odorless hydrogen and helium, the colorful clouds hiding its massive storms are a completely different story. The distinctive white and brown bands are packed with ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and trace amounts of hydrogen cyanide. If you could somehow survive the crushing pressure and take a whiff inside the Great Red Spot, it would hit you with the pungent, burning stench of strong glass cleaner, bitter almonds, and rotting eggs. Titan, Saturn's moon. If you want something truly alien, head out to Saturn's largest moon, Titan. It is the only other place in our solar system with liquid lakes, but they are made of liquid methane. The smoggy orange atmosphere is heavily filled with benzene. If you stood on its freezing shores, Titan would smell exactly like a massive, spilled gasoline station. Uranus. However, the absolute worst-smelling place in our solar system is the ice giant, Uranus. Astronomers recently discovered that its upper clouds are packed with hydrogen sulfide and ammonia. If you floated through those clouds, you would be assaulted by the overwhelming, nauseating stench of raw sewage and concentrated cat urine. Deep space. But what about the empty vacuum of deep space itself? Astronauts returning from spacewalks repeatedly report that their suits have a very distinct, burned odor. Because of dying stars releasing polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, the vast, dark emptiness of our cosmos actually smells exactly like seared steak, hot metal, and gunpowder. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to Einstoon for more 2D cosmic physics, and I will see you in the next video.